to help put this together at the very last minute. First of all, please everyone put their hands together for Sergio, who really, without him stepping up and just jumping in there and making sure that we didn't lose faith, he was really able to move us forward, and this is such an important message that we want to get out there. People from all around the country coming to D.C. I do want to spend a little bit of time talking about the rally yesterday. I was there all day long. I was documenting what was going on. We had a silent vigil of faith leaders who were standing up against the violence and intimidation that's been shown across this country. And the main takeaway from that rally yesterday is, man, what a disappointment for those organizers, because they were saying they were going to get 1 million people out to Washington, D.C. Not even close. Not even close. They still are trying to claim that they filled the mall with people. Not even close. They lie! So, Freedom Works spending millions of the insurance company dollars to try to bust people in from all over the country, millions and millions of dollars, and I think the best that they could do is bring in a bunch of people with some hate-filled signs. I just do want to share this one story to just get some outrage up in people. One of the signs that they had, it said, "Let's bury Obamacare with Kennedy." Now here's the thing, as if that wasn't tasteless and classless enough, they also decided that it would be hilarious if they took that sign, they covered it in horse poo, and then they took a bunch of pictures of it and stood around laughing. How is that in any way an appropriate way of expressing anything? And that is what was going on at that rally yesterday, was undifferentiated rage without any proposal. They didn't come here to say, do this or do that. All they came here to do was defeat the president and anything and everything he stood for. That's it. That's the only reason they're here. So we're here. No, they won't. No, they won't. No, they won't. No, they won't. And the thing is, no, they won't. It's very true. I have this picture. I'm the co-chair of the advocacy team for DC for Obama. And I have this picture of the president standing in front of a statue of Superman behind him like this. I wish I had it to show you. But what I always say is that that picture is true. Superman is standing behind the president, but that's us. That's us who are his strength and are going to make sure that these radical right-wing extremists led by the hate-monger Glenn Beck and the insurance company funded Freedom Works do not get to squash this dialogue with intimidation and fear when we know that this country wants health care now. What do we want? When do we want it? What do we want? When do we want it? What do we want? When do we want it? Thank you so much for everything that you're doing. We need to go home and keep this movement building. Each one of you bring 10 people to the March in October. I just want to hold this up, and I want all of you to see this sign because I dug this out of the trash yesterday.
Where it belongs!
This sign was being passed out by the American Life League, a pro-life organization, was passing out this sign. And I want you to know that even just the number of people they were able to get here yesterday was based on hate and rage and anger. And I know we're not motivated by that, but when we figure out when the rally is next month and you're trying to get people here, I want you to remember this, and I want to think about how mad you're going to be if these people win. I want you to keep that in your mind. I don't want you to get angry. I want you to stop yourself from getting angry by getting people here to stop these people from winning.